Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. Today we are talking about beautiful hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a simple and creative skill. It is relaxing, fun and perfect for making lovely handmade items. Let's explore some easy and beautiful embroidery ideas. First, the floral embroidery design. Flowers are the most popular choice. You can use bright or soft colors to make small or big flowers. Floral designs look fresh and pretty on any fabric. Next is the leaf and vine design. This design is simple and elegant. You can make long lines with small leaves. It looks very nice on dresses, dupattas and table covers. Another idea is the border embroidery design. You can decorate the edges of clothes, sleeves, scarves or bed sheets. Even a simple border can make your item look stylish. Now let's talk about the name or letter embroidery. You can stitch your name or handkerchiefs, clothes or gifts. It makes your item special and personal. The mirror work embroidery is also very beautiful. Small mirrors are added with colorful thread. This design is perfect for traditional dresses and festive wear. Next is the geometric embroidery pattern. This uses shapes like lines, squares and circles. It looks neat, modern and easy for beginners. Let's also look at some basic stitches. The running stitch, very simple and great for outlines. The chain stitch looks like a chain and is perfect for curves. The satin stitch used to fill shape smoothly. The cover stitch, cross stitch, makes small X shapes and looks very clean. You don't need many tools to start embroidery. You can need fabric, thread, a needle and an embroidery hoop. Here are some easy tips. Start with simple designs. Use soft fabric for easy stitching. Practice slowly and enjoy the process. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep learning. Hand embroidery is not just a hobby. It is a way to show your creativity and make beautiful handmade items. You can also turn this skill into a small business and earn money from home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative ideas. See you again in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.